TMC stock analysis. This is 20th of June performance, and then I'm answering for the next week approach. Why am I saying this? Well, I'm giving you my exact play and whatnot, and if you've been following me, you will know that I've been milking this thing up since $2. Now it's 6, almost 3x, right? And having done 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's actually printing me money and what's not. If you don't believe me that I was here buying this, let me show you the proof. Welcome to demonstration. Boom, 297 at the time. It was approximately 3, but this is just a month ago, 14th of May. Since then, we just, this is 14th of May. Since then, we just, began delivering. And I'm here to tell you that unless I see this thing pulling down and giving me some sort of a confirmation going into this next week, then it's going to be all noise. Or in other words, I'm just not going to buy stuff. Very, very simple. So there you go. If you want to learn how I make you 5-10K per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.